Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Downs with OnlineHomeSleepStudy.com. I'd like to introduce you to a product that I've developed that's come out. It's called Surface and Hand Cleaner by USAGuard.com. And you can find it on OnlineHomeSleepStudy.com for those who are wanting to purchase this product. It is a hand and surface cleaner, which is made with hypochlorous acid. That's HOCl. HOCl is something your white blood cells make already in your body to kill viruses, bacteria, and fungi. It is also an anti-inflammatory. This is 100 times more powerful than bleach, and yet you can spray it in your mouth and swallow it with no harmful effects. You can't do that with bleach. It also kills spores and C. difficile, which are quaternary ammonium products in the dental offices and medical offices will not do. It's completely safe to handle and breathe in. You can use it on cutting boards at home and around pets and animals and children without any worry about harm to them. Now, one thing you may not know is people are often putting these limes and lemons in their drinks. The surface of this lime and lemon has over 25 bacteria, fecal material, and fungi on it. You can spray these with this product, let it sit for 10 to 30 seconds, and then go ahead and slice it up and put it in your drink. You don't have to rinse it off. You can rinse it off with water if you wish to, doesn't matter. You can spray your lettuce and tomatoes and all kinds of vegetables with this product with complete confidence that it's going to rid them of the bacteria and viruses that are on these products, and you can use these more safely in your food supply. Like I said, if you're looking to clean your surfaces at home in a safe and more effective manner, this is the product I would recommend. It's not made by the ordinary method of electrolysis. We use a proprietary method to make this, so there's no salt flavor to it. If you want to purchase this product, go to onlinehomesleepstudy.com. Thank you very much.